Watch your wishes. I once wished for a single pair of living hands, just to feel, to know that I was even there. Instead, I have a battalion of fingers gouging at me, prying me open, pulling me apart, molestation at its max, being pet all over with mouse traps and jack flaps, jacking flap opened and spewing the magma so rough and regardless, but making sure not to get my hair, always sure to miss my face. They all want my head on a stake. Where will they put it? Who gets to have it? You think I'm a snake, but you want me staked and poised upon your garden, symbolizing something. This is where the sense unravels. If you're always torn in every way, you'll run out of everything. So stop if you do this. If you're giving a thing until it makes you feel nothing or something revolting, it's time to step back. You're done for a while. Give to yourself and you won't feel so vile.